Stocks go up, stocks go down, SPX down 50. Guys, I keep telling you this, and the market goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down. We buy some calls, we buy some puts, etc. Blah blah blah. Doing just fine. Nice and slow. We covered everything. Every position is covered. How insane is that? Everything is free. We took the SPXs, covered them. And then yesterday we sold the Meta, and somebody sent me a message. And I'm telling you, this stuff happens all the time. Is Sam, why are you selling Meta? It's going up. Well, I'm up $2. I put $1 into Microsoft, so I sell it, and I'm still positive. And I got a free Microsoft. Now, today, techs are not down as much, but NASDAQ is down. SPX is weaker today. So SPX is way weaker. It's down 52. So, but here's the thing. What happened, guys? Quiz. And you're going to get all kinds of quizzes in the thing, and we're going to point to you, like in the thing, we're going to point to you. Mr. So-and-so, can you please stand up and answer this question? There you go. And no, I'm just kidding. So why was the market going to be down 25 to start with? Quiz. Come on. You guys should know this. Everybody's like, we don't know this. Because it rocketed in the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It just gives it back. The market at close orders or whatever orders there were, it just gives it back all the time. And if we go down 30, you open up 30. That's without any news. Then you add in the news, and the news is the tariff thing is coming, but the bigger set of news is, because the tariff thing isn't today. The bigger set is the jobs weren't that good. So that means you got a recession coming. So you got a recession coming, then you have them doing this, and then you have the Fed thinking, oh my God, we're missing inflation by 0.3%. Think about in your lifetime, something is bad by 0.3%, and we're gonna make all our decisions based on 0.3%. Really? Can you make this shit up? Can't make this shit up, right? Interesting. So that's what's going on. I am leaving at about 11 today, and we'll trade from the airport. Probably board, so I don't know, somewhere, and we'll try and get on and be on the Wi-Fi there. So let's see what happens. The news comes afterward. Hopefully, I'll be able to see it and hear it, but don't know. Okay, that's what we know. That's trading. But think about this. Netflix is going down. These guys are coming out. In the recession, Netflix is going to do great. Well, why is, guys, let me give you all these quizzes, okay? Why has Netflix been so good in the last 3 years, 2-3 years? They keep raising prices. Well, in a recession, are you going to raise prices? No. You're going to lose people? Yes. Oh, they're not so good. Interesting, right? Their stuff is good. It's a great value. I don't disagree with that. Amazing, right? So let me tell you some stuff, things that aggravate the shit out of me, but really, when you when you see this stuff, how do companies stay in business? So the Texas Rangers have had problems for the last 3 years because the TV provider they used declared bankruptcy or were in bankruptcy. So they couldn't broadcast the games, blah, 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 everything else. So big problem. So this year, they signed on a new place, and it's called Victory Plus, okay? You can go buy it. It's Victory Plus, and you get all their games, right? And, this is hilarious to me. So Sam signs up for it, and it works on Roku. You can get the app, and it works fine. But it doesn't work on your phone. It doesn't work on your iPad. It doesn't work on your phone and iPad. So I've sent them messages that this doesn't work. We're aware of the situation. We're trying to resolve it. It's been a week. Now, the TV deal, what I hear is like $400 million for 2 years. And they can't figure this out. This is technology. They can't get it working. So think about this. Now, we see this all the time. But, Google not being down and Amazon not being down. It's because you're getting smart people doing this stuff. But what you're getting is you're getting companies like Texas Rangers that have no clue. You just tell them, why don't you put in the contract? I mean, Texas Instruments, when I used to run SAP, so I used to run SAP for, and they told me, they said, if your servers are down for 5 minutes, don't come in ever. That's what he told you. So you go get people and you design it with a heartbeat line, blah, blah, blah. If one goes down, the other one pops up, and you move all your data over. Very simple. And these guys didn't figure it out before the season, and it doesn't work. I mean, this is technology. Think about it, these banks. Somebody's going into Jamie Dimon or some other bank and saying, oh, the so-and-so just got hacked. Oh, we need to buy this. Buy it. Well, that's too much. Go find a different solution. Really? This is security. Guys, this is the conversation CEOs make. And that conversation, well, if it gets hacked, I'll leave. I've made my $20 million. I'm out. Okay? So just understand that. Okay? Understand that. So just see that SPX is down 60. I mean, is this the crater day before we see? Maybe. Tesla numbers still not out. App 11 down 10. Let's see if it goes down 30. Guys, I keep hearing comments everywhere. People, well, is this going down? Guys, you can't get stuck in a single position if you don't buy too many. It's impossible to be stuck. Yesterday we bought some NVIDIA at the end of the day upside, just in case. Why? Because we have the downside. If this thing really collapses, if he does 25% on everybody, you know what he should do? He should do 30 to 40% on everybody. Just screw everybody. Market drops 300, 400, 500, 600. Bitcoin drops to 50,000. He starts buying Bitcoin for the government, rips it back up to 100,000. Government just doubled the 200 million or whatever they buy. Interesting, right? Possible. Okay? So just understand that. So these things like Meta, we buy them because the market's going that way, just like those SPX calls. We buy them because the market's going that way. Doesn't mean we think it's going to stay that way. That's why we get out. We buy them and get out, and we get out fast. Okay? So understand that. Okay, so that's what we know. That's what we got. Huge action tomorrow. I would think SPX up or down 100 to 150 tomorrow. And then Friday, it's going to be insane. Everybody trading together. I'll do the call live together. You guys will freak out. Okay? 4242. SPX down 60. Very, very ugly. But it only puts it at 55.73. Okay? So you got another 70 points down. Possible. Avago, why is Avago going up? Really? I mean, he told you they have orders in 2026 and 2027. That's a year from now. Those orders are all canceled. Okay? Unless things change. Yeah, 161, 155, 150 pin possible. NVIDIA, if 103 breaks, 98. Wow. Sitting both sides on it. 111. CoreWeave went up to 51. Isn't that interesting? Somebody said there are CoreWeave options. I don't know. I'll double check. 39. Okay, 39 if it collapses. CrowdStrike, 321, 372. Apple still holding. If the market really is going to dump, Apple's going to go back to 209. Okay, you got 217, 216, then 209. Needs to get through 226. Palantir back lower, 79, 71. Meta, 591 up, 556 down. Carvana, 201 down, 191, 232. Netflix, 891, 852, 963 upside. Coin doesn't even move anymore. It's unplayable lately, okay? Costco. Once again, Costco doesn't break. When does it break? If this tariffs get huge and if China retaliates tonight, how far does Costco open down? Okay? Don't know. Okay? 941. If you buy it, expect zero. If you don't buy it, you don't have to expect zero. Very straightforward. Upside 972. MicroStrategy holding okay. Okay, yesterday there's $6. These 320s we bought them at 3 and they're 6. We held them, but why? Because you want something on the upside that can go 30 if the market runs. And those go to 30, 3 to 30. So that's why we held them. Okay, Goldman Sachs, 539, 531, 572 upside. Okay, App Lovin. If and when it breaks 244, this is going to tumble like you can't believe. Okay, NASDAQ, it's 5 to 1, so it's not relatively strong today. Okay, it's about par. Okay, so say take 300 off of that, you're back to 19,150, 18,700. I would think 18,500. Wow, Sam is going nuts. Or 19,900 tomorrow. Interesting. Okay. And I told everybody, how about this? I posted this on public Twitter, and people are outraged. They're just outrageous. Sam, you don't know what the shit you're talking about. I'm like, the action is not going to be today. It's going to be tomorrow because he's going to talk after the market closes. Oh, and then he decides to talk after the market closes. It's not even hard to figure that out, guys. Okay? Microsoft. Got some upside. It's up a little bit. Not you're going to be back to even at open. You got 372 down, 367, 350 on a collapse, and 391 accelerator up. Tesla, let's see what news does. If Tesla numbers are better than expected, this thing will fly. It doesn't care what the market does. If they're worse, 241. NOW back lower. 791, 759. That's what we know. Okay? Everybody have a great trade day. See you in chat. See you in New York. Going to be epic. Bye.